Hello everybody, I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do J-spins. So this is actually a progression of these big J's. Another trick that we do have a tutorial on, so I recommend going to look at that one and then coming back to this video because it does have a lot of good information that will help you with the J-spins. So to start, I think it's important in this move specifically just to loosen up your wrists, roll them out a little bit, stretch them. The release on this one is a little bit weird because your wrist is just kind of at an awkward angle at the end, and so you don't want to hurt yourself. Definitely take the time to loosen up. So you're going to start by gripping the star between the 2 points and then using momentum from the outside inward to fling the Flowstar all the way around in a circle while holding on. And then once the Flowstar is at the bottom, that little weight right there where it drops, you're going to use that weight to fling it up in the air and flick your wrist for a spin. Once you get some practice in on one hand, practice on the other side as well. It's always a little bit harder for me on my left hand. And once you get some reps in on both sides and you're a little bit more comfortable, then you can alternate hands. And when I'm doing this, note where I'm catching the Flowstar. I'm catching it kind of at the bottom and then following it over the top. And that will bring it to a little bit of a slower halt so you have more control, and it positions you to launch into another J-spin or whatever move you want to do. But this one in particular, it keeps it open and flat and kind of just a cool, trippy aesthetic. And that's how you do J-spins. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Happy flowing.